Like I said, every time the doorbell rings, it's like a Kinder surprise, especially the past few months during the circuit breaker lockdown. The doorbell rings and you kind of wonder, okay, what is it today? What's the surprise today? Well, this just came in, big box. Came in really fast. I kind of know what it is just based on the size. When you're locked down in your house and nothing to do, nowhere to go, cannot see, cannot meet people, the doorman or the delivery guy is your best friend, your savior. So if this is what it is, I've been wanting to get this for a very long time, but we've been procrastinating. But then I just said, okay, let's just do it. So I bit the bullet and pressed checkout, add to cart and checkout. And actually it came by really fast. I think I made the purchase just the other day. I think 2 days ago. So actually during lockdown I really started to do some shopping online because I wasn't a big online shopping fan, but I think the circuit breaker, the lockdown changed my habit a bit. So actually, yeah, it's not too bad. But tomorrow the phase 2 begins and you're allowed, the shops are open again, so it'll be good to actually go out to the physical shop and test things before you buy. Okay, great. What is it? Take all this out. 阿媽食飽未啊？
嚇！
食飽未啊？
都幾飽佢啦。
都幾飽㗎啦嚇！
係。
好唔好食㗎？
好食啊！
好食㗎嚇！哇！呢個咩嚟㗎？哎呀！ Oh, Tanyu Claypot. Like I said, I've been wanting to get a much bigger clay pot for ages, but I procrastinated. So I believe this is a Tanyu Claypot. So I believe this is a 8.4 liter lid.咩嚟㗎嘛？咩嚟㗎？ 这个什么来的？这个什么来的 ？Perfect timing. Nice bigger size. So I have a Japanese one, which is probably about half the capacity. So this is 8.4 liters, which is great. Soup, slow cooking. Just in time, because actually today I'm gonna make try a new recipe, goat meat with offals noodles. So I'm gonna try that recipe today. So I'm gonna slow cook the goat meat and offal for a few hours. So actually this is a good because the previous my current Japanese clay pot is a bit small, so I can only put so much stuff in. It's a donabe pot, which is a bit more flat. But this is great. Ma more. 攞嚟煲湯炆嘢咁啊！
煲湯。
煲湯又炆嘢啊！好大㗎嚇！一陣下次煲啲湯咧，用呢個煲咧靚啲嘅湯，又甜啲啊！正唔正啊？
正啊
！Yes, Tanyu 8.4 liter clay pot. Can't wait to use it. I'll use this today. So I'm gonna make the goat noodles with this, braise, slow cook the goat. So I'm gonna be giving the noodles to some of the folks that booked dinner sessions with me, my supper club. They've been very patient, waiting. So hopefully they like the noodles. Actually, this will be the first time I'll be making it. So hopefully it turns out good.